Hi, this is Olivia and welcome back in another episode from Easy 5 Minutes. Today we are gonna see how to create your professional website in 5 minutes, whatever it is, a blog, online store, business, or professional portfolio and work, all of this totally for free. Stay tuned. Welcome to this tutorial where we're gonna create a WordPress website absolutely for free. You can easily create a blog or portfolio in such a way. First of all, we need to get a free hosting, a place where we store the website data in the server. For this example, I use a free hosting by InfinityFree. You can find the link to it and to all the resources in this video in the description below. Getting free hosting here is really simple. All you need is create an account and verify your email. Once your email is verified, your free hosting is running. As you can see, the address of my website contains a subdomain. To get rid of it, I need to go and park my own domain name. I can do that on the web address section, but to park the domain on the hosting, I need to register it at first. You can do that with freenom.com. It gives you a free domain valid for 12 months, and it can be reused every 4 months before its expiration date. To link the domain to the existing hosting, we need to use DNS. All I need to do is copy and paste the keys I can find on the control panel, then you go to a checkout page, enter your email and go to your inbox to verify it. To complete the order, you'll need to fill in some personal data in the form, and then your domain is ready in your personal account on freenom.com. You can see the data regarding your domain and see when it expires. Now let's park it on our hosting and see if it works. Done. The next thing we have on our checklist is installing WordPress. We can do it right in the control panel on a Build Website tab. Before installation, fill in the login and the password you want to set for your WordPress website. When WordPress is installed, you go on and type in your login and password and enter your site password. Are you asking why WordPress? Well, WordPress actually powers over 35% of the web, super flexible, and it's used by millions of users all over the world. Has many plugins, friendly community, and the project is actively developed. Overall, WordPress is great for people who are not familiar with coding. When we click on Visit Website button, we can see that it is displayed with a subdomain. So, let's go and check if the domain regarding freenom works. It works as well, so now it's time to give it a great look. We need to use the plugin Astra, which will help you upload all the needed plugins, and the sample design like Elementor that will help you customize your website in very simple way. If you already have some data on the website, check the corresponding box and the design will be applied to your own content. If you want to customize, just click Edit with Elementor and the dashboard will change to something really easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, leave the thumbs up and subscribe. That's it guys for today. See you guys very soon. Later.